big breaking news. Times Now is tracking Swati Maliwal. Remember, the mystery around Swati Maliwal has been deepening, and in the midst of all of this, of course, Times Now investigation continues. Times Now tracking Swati Maliwal.
नमस्ते मैम, स्वाति मैम है?
नहीं।
अच्छा, मैं आप कौन?
मैम नहीं।
तो कैसे मुलाकात होगी? उनको फ़ोन कर रहे हैं।
पता नहीं, वो यहाँ नहीं।
कब से नहीं आई हैं?
पता नहीं, यहाँ पे नहीं।
बट मैम रेजिडेंस तो मैम का ही है ना। एक्चुअली हम लोग उनसे बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं 2 दिन से।
यहाँ पे नहीं।
तो लास्ट कब आई थी?
नहीं पता मैम, यहाँ पे नहीं।
अच्छा, तो कैसे मैम, आप मैं नंबर लिख लेंगी, मैसेज पहुंचा देंगे? आप नंबर लिख लीजिए मैडम। मैम आप नंबर लिख लीजिए। So this is the residence of Swati Maliwal, which is Swati Maliwal. It's a gateway of the front door. We have been trying to get in touch with Swati Maliwal, but till now she is not responding. So that's the situation on the ground. We had recorded to certain other locations where Swati Maliwal used to stay, but till now Swati Maliwal has not come. When we spoke to the family members, they're saying that she's not here. She will take some time to come back. Priyank Padi, the Times Central.
That's a report by our colleague Priyank. He has now tracked Swati Maliwal, reached her residence, tried to converse and talk to her, but she was not at her residence. Priyank is joining us live on the broadcast as well. Priyank, of course, we just played out that exclusive report from outside Swati Maliwal's residence. Of course, you've been trying to track her. Swati Maliwal, of mystery around her is deepening. I'll come to you. We'll ask that question. But first, let's listen in and take a look at that sequence once again.
नमस्ते मैम, स्वाति मैम है?
नहीं।
अच्छा, मैं आप कौन?
मैम नहीं।
तो कैसे मुलाकात होगी? उनको फ़ोन कर रहे हैं।
पता नहीं, वो यहाँ नहीं।
कब से नहीं आई हैं?
पता नहीं, यहाँ पे नहीं।
बट मैम रेजिडेंस तो मैम का ही है ना। एक्चुअली हम लोग उनसे बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं 2 दिन से।
यहाँ पे नहीं।
तो लास्ट कब आई थी?
नहीं पता मैम, यहाँ पे नहीं।
अच्छा, तो कैसे मैम, आप मैं नंबर लिख लेंगी, मैसेज पहुंचा देंगे? आप नंबर लिख लीजिए मैडम। मैम आप नंबर लिख लीजिए। So this is the residence of Swati Maliwal, which is Swati Maliwal. It's a gateway of the front door. We have been trying to get in touch with Swati Maliwal, but till now she is not responding. So that's the situation on the ground. We had recorded to certain other locations where Swati Maliwal used to stay, but till now Swati Maliwal has not come. When we spoke to the family members, they're saying that she's not here. She will take some time to come back. Priyank Padi, the Times Central.
All right, my colleague Priyank is also live with us. Priyank, you're trying to track Swati Maliwal. We just played out that exclusive report. You went to her official residence, tried to speak to the staff of Swati Maliwal, her family members who say they have no idea about her whereabouts. So clearly nobody knows at the moment where Swati Maliwal is. Mystery around her is deepening.
Certainly, and we have also got this confirmation on record by the management staff of this particular apartment, which has been the government allotted type 7 apartment for Swati Maliwal, where she has been staying. And what we know that apparently she's also here, but the staff is not accepting it. That the police reached here at around 7 to 8 a.m. in the morning tomorrow, yesterday, and the police officials were not allowed to go up. There was an inquiry which happened in between the Delhi police team and those officials who are posted here to maintain security and law and order. Swati Maliwal did not leave the national capital. That is very important to be noted. And she was, moved from the Commonwealth Village apartment where our colleague Akansha had gone to this type 7 apartment where we attempted to, give our message to the office staff that this is what has happened, and we want to get in touch with her. But there is no clear answer which has come up from her side. So we will be playing that sequence also of our colleague Tejasri Purundare, where she has managed to talk to those officials of the security team who said that the Delhi police team did reach here.
All right, of course. So our colleagues spread over the capital trying to track Swati Maliwal. We've also spoken out to Swati Maliwal's security personnel as well. We just played out that exclusive report from her official residence. We'll be playing out the other reports as well. Times team, of course, at the forefront tracking Swati Maliwal as the mystery around Swati Maliwal deepens. Aam Aadmi Party, though, is remaining tight-lipped over the entire situation.